everyone, Crafting Vicky here with you, and I'm here for the last of the positivity deck. And yeah, I've cleaned up my desk. Last time was a mess and I couldn't see anything anymore and it was just too overwhelming. So now I cleaned it up and hopefully I'll be able to find all my stuff, because that's usually what happens. I clean up and then I can't find anything. But anyway, in the meantime, and I can tell you already that I've lost some items that I just can't put my hands on anymore. So yeah, that's what happens. So for the last one, I'm thinking of using this here, which is a piece of my homemade paper from a recycled envelope. And this paper, this design is actually what I use on my Facebook page as my logo. So I thought it'd be fitting if it was that page, that paper that I used, because I've been hoarding it and you can see there's only a little piece left and I'm still holding on to it. So yeah, I really loved how it had turned out, and so I keep hoarding all the little leftover pieces that I have from it. And I've put myself a little tin beside me where I can put the little leftover pieces. So hopefully limit the number of pieces that are all over my desk. So, yay! Okay, so there it is, and I've already written, spirit to me is your inner self. It's what's inside you. It's that essence of you. That's my thinking of this. And I had gotten these stickers from Creatively Free to Be Me. And it's Creative Freedom, I believe. Yeah, Creative Freedom on Etsy. And I'm thinking I'd like to use one of her design because it just represents me very well. And I'm thinking I'm going to use the skull, because as you know, I love skulls. I really do. And I don't think I've used a skull yet in the on those cards, but we'll see soon enough, because after I finish doing this one, then I'll be airing the 52 cards that I made this year, so you guys can see all of them, because I know a lot of you followed me through this process, but some are new. So this will give you a chance to see all of them. Plus I received the question of where do you store them, so this will be a good way to share it with you. So I took some really small alphabet, and I'm really glad, because this process helped me use a ton of my alphabet stickers, which I don't use otherwise, and so I was quite happy with this. So spirit, I don't think I'm gonna be running out of space. I hope not anyway, because I didn't start by the end, but I think I should be fine. It might not be centered, but nothing of mine is ever centered, so it's all good. So spirit, here we go. So this is my last card of the series. It was super fast, as you saw, but you know, I've used up some scraps, which is exactly what I do. It's exactly in, it's all, you know, fitting with my spirit, and I think it turned out really awesome. Plus I get to use one of the stickers that I would probably hoarded forever. So it's gonna stay in my stash, but as a card that's finished, and I really like it. So that is it. Go check out the link down below for Kali Koo if you don't know her. She's the one who came up with this brilliant idea. I don't know what she will do in the upcoming year. I don't think I will be doing something that will be so time consuming. I mean, that you need to do one per week. I found that to be a bit stressful because there's certain weeks I fell behind and then I had to catch up, and yeah, so I'm probably not gonna do something if it's every week, but we will see. We shall see what the new year brings. So hopefully this should air on the 1st, so I'm wishing you the best 2019 possible. Health, that's the first thing, and then everything that your little art desires for the rest. And that is it for me. I'm hoping that 2019 is gonna rock because 2018 really sucked. And it's about time that it would change and we would be on to new things. I'm looking forward to being able to show you my extension. It's coming along slowly but surely, but very slowly. Much slower than my husband and I ever expected. So yeah, it was supposed to be finished in July, so you can imagine our disappointment in this, but it's okay, it's gonna get done. And yes, we lost a lot of money on in the process, but it was a learning experience, and hopefully we won't make the same mistakes again. So that is it for now. Bye everyone!